With Ukraine's drone army having a longer reach behind Russia's defensive lines, they can find more valuable targets which Russia thinks are safe due to distance alone. But here a Buck air defense was found in hiding. But due to the branches being in the way, the drone almost crashed just before managing to hit the system. With a bit of luck and skill, the drone managed to get close enough to the system so the warhead started a chain reaction, causing a fire to break out, burning down the whole system, making a very favorable trade between a cheap drone versus a multi-million-dollar SAM system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.